What's going on, guys? I got a 2010 Chevy Malibu. Put this 7-inch Samsung Galaxy tablet in the dash. Turned out pretty nice. Of course, got your Pandora, navigation, some Angry Birds. Got like a little volume thing. Stupid shit. Tune-in radio. Just give you an idea how it works here. Let's see here. Pretty much just relocated the radio to the trunk and built a little carpet box around it. That way you can't see it. But I'm pretty happy with it. Turns on pretty quick. And then when you get out of the car, just turn it off. Good to go.